Dublin is the capital and largest city of Ireland, located on the east coast of the island. It is known for its rich history, cultural heritage, literary scene, and vibrant nightlife. The city has a population of around 1.3 million people in the greater metropolitan area. Some of the most popular tourist attractions in Dublin include the Guinness Storehouse, Trinity College and the Book of Kells, St. Patrick's Cathedral, Dublin Castle, the National Museum of Ireland, and the Temple Bar District. Dublin is also home to many famous writers, including James Joyce, W. Yeats, and Samuel Beckett. The city has a lively music scene, with many venues hosting live performances of traditional Irish music, as well as rock, pop, and other genres. Dublin, located on the east coast of Ireland, on the mouth of the River Liffey, which divides the city in two. The city has a temperate maritime climate, with mild winters and cool summers. Rain is common throughout the year, so it's always a good idea to bring an umbrella or raincoat when visiting. Dublin has a rich history that spans over 1,000 years. It was founded by the Vikings in the 9th century and became the center of English power in Ireland in the 12th century. The city played a key role in the Easter Rising of 1916, which led to the establishment of the Irish Free State. The River Liffey is the main river that flows through Dublin, the capital city of Ireland. The river rises in the Wicklow Mountains and flows for approximately 125 kilometers 78 mi through County Wicklow and County Kildare before entering Dublin Bay. The Liffey is about 125 meters for 10 feet wide at its widest point in Dublin, and its depth varies from less than 1 meter 3 feet to several meters 10 plus feet in places. The River Liffey is an important feature of Dublin's geography and history. It has been a vital source of water and transport for centuries and has played a significant role. The River Liffey divides the city of Dublin into north and south, and there are many bridges that cross it, linking the two sides of the city. The most famous of these is the Halfpenny Bridge, which was built in 1816 and was the first pedestrian bridge to cross the river. Other notable bridges include the O'Connell Bridge, the Samuel Beckett Bridge, and the Millennium Bridge. Dublin has several parks and green spaces, including Phoenix Park, which is one of the largest enclosed urban parks in Europe. It is home to the Dublin Zoo, as well as several monuments and statues. The city has a thriving art scene, with several museums, galleries, and theaters. The Abbey Theatre, founded in 1904, is one of the world's oldest and most famous theaters. Dublin is also known for its sports, particularly football, soccer, rugby, and hurling. The city has several professional sports teams, including the Dublin GAA Gaelic Athletic Association football and hurling team. Despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, Dublin remains a resilient and dynamic city with a strong sense of community and a commitment to building a bright and prosperous future for all of its residents. One of the most notable features of Dublin's contemporary landscape is its architecture, which spans hundreds of years and a variety of styles. In addition to the many historic buildings and landmarks that can be found throughout the city, there are also many examples of modern architecture, such as the Convention Centre Dublin and the Spire of Dublin, a tall, stainless steel monument that stands in the heart of the city. Food and drink are also an important part of Dublin's contemporary identity. In addition to the city's famous pubs, which serve up traditional Irish fare alongside pints of Guinness, Dublin is also home to a thriving restaurant scene that offers a wide range of international cuisines. Finally, it's worth noting that Dublin is a city that takes its sports seriously. Gaelic football and hurling are two of the most popular sports in Ireland, and Dublin has a strong tradition in both. The city is home to the Dublin GAA, which is one of the most successful teams in the country and has won numerous championships in recent years. Additionally, soccer, rugby, and other sports are also popular in the city, and there are many opportunities to watch or participate in sporting events throughout the year. Transportation is a major aspect of modern-day Dublin. The city has an extensive public transportation system, including buses, trains, and a light rail system called the luas. Additionally, Dublin has an extensive network of bike lanes, making cycling a popular mode of transportation for both residents and visitors alike. Dublin is also a city that values its green spaces. The Phoenix Park, which is located in the heart of the city, is one of the largest urban parks in Europe and is home to the Dublin Zoo, the President of Ireland's residence, and a variety of walking and cycling trails. Stephen's Green is another popular park in Dublin, located in the city centre and featuring a lake, fountains, and plenty of places to sit and relax.